Adobe Spark makes it very easy to create wonderful web pages within a few minutes. So let's see how to work with Adobe Spark page from this lesson onwards. So over here, I'm in my Adobe Spark page. So I'm going to click on this plus icon right here. And over here, you can see that there's an option called web pages. So you can choose from a lot of templates, web page templates that you want to work with. But in our case, we're going to start from scratch itself. So I'm going to go to start from scratch, and then we're going to click on web page. So once I do that, it is preparing the web page for me, and let us wait for it to load. And now you can see here that a blank canvas is loaded. So it says that I can add in a title, a subtitle, and a photo. That's how we will start making our web page. So over here in the title, I'm just going to type in TutorTube, just like this. And I'm going to add in a subtitle, Lessons at Your Convenience, just like this. So I'm going to go over here, and let's say I want to add in a picture. So I'm going to use free photos right here out of what I can find in stock. And I'm going to say computer. And I'm going to press enter. So it comes up with different computer works right there. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to choose this picture right here. And there you go, there's the background. So once you do that, you can go over here at the bottom. Here's it says scroll to start writing your story. So I'm going to scroll. And here you can see that on the plus icon, I can have glide, so I can have a photo grid, video, and so forth. In my case, I'm just going to use a text, and I'm going to say, welcome to TutorTube. I'm using caps lock, just like this. Once I do that, I can select this, I can center align this, and I can use H1 to change this, change the title. I'm gonna go over here, welcome to TutorTube. You can find various tutorials according to your need here, right? So I'm going to use this, and let's say I want to add in a picture as well. So I can go over here, I can use a photo right here, and let's say I'm going to click this picture right here. So just like that, I have a full page with picture just like this, or I can have a full screen type of a photo right here, just like that. Or let's say I just want to change the photo into an inline text, just like this. So welcome to TutorTube. You can find various tutorials according to your need here. So you see this plus icon, you can actually use this to add in items right here, which you're going to see in detail in lesson by lesson later on. So once everything is done, what I can do is I can preview the web page. So I can go over here, I can preview the web page, and once I do that, it loads the web page and it shows me how the overall web page looks. And you can see that without much coding at all, I have created this wonderful one scroll website just like this. I also got this cool animation over here. So you can find various type of options right here, just like this. So that is how you can start working with Spark page and create web pages quite easily without having any HTML knowledge at all in a few seconds. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.